How to download the Dex-Trade app on your device. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open Play Store on your device and click on the search icon on the bottom right hand side twice. After you do so, you can just go ahead and search for Dex-Trade. You can see Dex-Trade will appear instantly. Go ahead and tap on install. As soon as you tap on install, the app will be downloaded and afterwards be installed. You can scroll down and tap on about this app to know more about the app. As you can see, Dex-Trade is a comprehensive financial platform for the majority of leading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and a lot of comprehensive features. So there are a lot of features in this app called Dex-Trade. You can go ahead and download and install it. It's quite easy to use as well and user friendly. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.